And I turned this on last night to see if it still ran and lit up. And fortunately it does. There's our Zippo there. I started going through some of the prices on these lighters. They're nuts. I got to thinking I have like a blue lighter. I have the can for that. I have a can for a lot of these lighters. Trying to think where in the hell did I put all those tins? A couple of these in the tins are worth $100. I don't know how many people's in the Zippos, but in my day that was the thing. I never smoked cigarettes with them. I did smoke for a few years. I think I quit in 1977. They were 55 cents a pack. There's roll lighters you got. I think you sent coupons in from your cigarette packs. I do have some Marlboro. I got 4 or 5 different Marlboro lighters. There's some Camels. There's a Salem. I think that's a Winston there. That's a rare one there. I only seen one of them on eBay, that Rebel Flag. I'm surprised the price of it too. It was like $40 or something. I think most of these over here aren't Zippos, they're just other brands. Excuse me. I'm not gonna, better turn this light off. I got to look at these. Next thing you know, I was looking on eBay at them. Seen a couple ones I wanted. Why I would buy another Zippo lighter, I don't know. It all started with my buddy Dave. Give me a couple. Give me 2 that were broke. I'm gonna send back and get repaired. But that started, and I come home and turned this light on, and there you go. A wobble in that. I'm surprised to see what them cases cost now. I bought that in with a deal on a bunch of lighters. Bought out a hardware store, had a smoke shop. I got a big collection of smoking pipes too, somewhere packed away. All right, have a good one there. I just figured I'd jump in here and turn the thing on, show you my Zippos. Wanted to go out and cut the grass, but I'm trying to make up excuses not to. Everybody have a good one.